Okay, so another CAD software tool called FreeCAD. It's completely free. FreeCAD.org. And then you just hit download now. Go ahead and do the Windows installer. Thank you. And we're going to go ahead and pop over to our downloads folder. Okay, once it's done installing, go ahead and double click. Alright, I'll hit next. If you want to go ahead and read through the license yourself. Next, I'm installing for me. Let it go to default. Files. This is so it can open more files. I'll get that. Desktop. Next. Create shortcuts. Alright. Alright, once it's finished, we'll go ahead and launch it. Make sure it's running properly. Alright. This is what you should see, and then you can go ahead and get started.